Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to uncover the origins of the beloved mooncake. What makes this pastry so special, and why do millions of people around the world celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival with it? Let's find out. Mooncakes, sweet, rich, and steeped in tradition. Today, we begin a journey to uncover the fascinating story behind this iconic pastry. Mooncake, a sweet tradition unveiled, where we dive deep into the origins, symbolism, and cultural significance of mooncakes, one episode at a time. The history of mooncakes stretches back over 1,000 years to the Tang dynasty, around the 7th century. While the exact origins remain a bit of a mystery, one thing is certain. These pastries have always had deep ties to the Mid-Autumn Festival, a time to celebrate the harvest, the full moon, and family reunions. Mooncakes, as we know them today, evolved from simple wheat-based cakes that were offered to the moon goddess, Chang'e, as an expression of gratitude. The round shape of the mooncake symbolizes unity and completeness, tying in with the theme of family and togetherness. The Mid-Autumn Festival, known as the Moon Festival, is one of China's most important cultural celebrations. It takes place on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month, when the moon is at its fullest. This is the perfect time to indulge in mooncakes, share them with loved ones, and reflect on the importance of family. Mooncakes have a history that spans over 1,000 years. Their origins can be traced back to the Tang dynasty, around the 7th century, when people began offering simple cakes to the moon as a form of tribute. In these early days, mooncakes were not yet the elaborate delicacies we recognize today. They were small, round, wheat-based cakes used to honor the moon goddess Chang'e, especially during the Mid-Autumn Festival. By the Yuan dynasty, mooncakes were firmly embedded in the Mid-Autumn Festival. Did you know there are over 10 regional varieties of mooncakes? Cantonese mooncakes are famous for their smooth crusts and rich fillings, while Suzhou mooncakes are flaky and can be savory or sweet. In Beijing, you'll find larger, denser versions that reflect the city's bold flavors. In Xiamen, there's a unique tradition called bo bing, or mooncake gambling. Making mooncakes is truly an art form, and it's no wonder these little pastries have been a symbol of tradition for so long. While mooncakes are primarily a celebratory treat, they've also played a key role in Chinese history. During the Ming Dynasty, mooncakes were used to carry secret messages that helped people in the rebellion against the Mongol-led Yuan dynasty. In Chinese culture, the Mid-Autumn Festival is closely associated with family reunions, and mooncakes play a significant role in this symbolism. Ancient mooncakes were originally made from rice flour rather than the modern wheat flour dough we are familiar with today. The rice cakes were simple, sticky, and sweet, but they still served the same purpose, offering something symbolic during the Mid-Autumn Festival. The first mooncake wasn't made from dough at all, but was actually a type of rice cake. In recent years, many bakeries and chefs have experimented with unusual fillings, including chocolate, durians, ice cream, and even tiramisu. Some mooncakes even feature flower petals, like osmanthus, to give them a modern twist while maintaining the cultural essence of the treat. The mooncake mold isn't just for shaping. It also carries cultural significance. The intricate patterns pressed into the dough often have symbolic meanings. For example, patterns like lotus flowers or peonies symbolize prosperity and good fortune, while bamboo leaves might represent longevity. Traditionally, family molds are passed down through generations, making them highly prized heirlooms in some households. In some families and regions, mooncakes are used as offerings to ancestors, especially for those who have passed away. In some regions, giving mooncakes as gifts has become so significant that elaborate packaging of mooncakes have turned into a multi-billion-dollar industry. The round shape symbolizes the reunion with loved ones in the afterlife, and the sharing of mooncakes becomes a ritualistic act of honoring their memory. In cities like Hong Kong, mooncakes can cost up to hundreds of dollars per box for special editions. While mooncakes are most strongly associated with Chinese culture, their influence has spread throughout East Asia. Mooncakes today are much smaller and more manageable than they used to be, which reflects changes in both taste and lifestyle. Mooncakes aren't just tied to the Mid-Autumn Festival in China. There are mooncake festivals in places like Malaysia and Singapore, where the treat has taken on a unique cultural twist. Each mooncake is crafted with care, featuring intricate designs that tell a story of heritage and artistry. From sweet to savory, their fillings vary, but each bite carries a taste of history. I hope you found this video interesting. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end.